So if you're in front of your computer all day, staring at a screen, right? You're hovering over, staring at a screen, tapping away. Eventually, your body's going to adapt to that, right? So the functions of your chest isn't really working because they're getting very tight. And then your back, which is supposed to help keep your posture, is getting long and weak. That's how it's functioning. So again, doing traps, doing shoulder shrugs for your traps is going to help to combat that. So this is what I recommend doing. When you're doing your shoulder shrugs, take weight that are moderate, squeeze your scapula together, right? Squeeze it together, get the dumbbells at the side, and then you're gonna lift up your shoulders, squeeze the top, shoulders to ears, and then come down. Up, shoulders to ears, and then come down. None of this BS. This does nothing. This does nothing. If you want to roll your shoulders, do it without weight. Don't hurt yourself. Up, down. So that's why I preach, always utilize good form. Form follows function, because if you're not using good form, there's going to be muscle groups working. But the muscle groups that are working are there to protect your body, and that's what leads into injury. Versus if you have correct form, you're utilizing the correct muscles to work. That's simple. Hope that helps.